Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're well, blessed, and kept of the Lord. And guys, it's the time again of making amazing recipes. Guys, if you're new here, karibu sana. If you're a returning subscriber, you are the best. And so guys, let's just get straight into this video because as you can tell from my voice, I am very excited. So guys, all you see on your screen right now is the only things you're going to use in cooking today's dinner. It's quick, fast, and it's super healthy. So we're going to be making some tandoori chicken and mango salsa. So basically what I did, guys, I marinated this chicken for 6 hours, and as you can see, it's well marinated. And so I made some cuts into my chicken, slight chunk cuts, don't let them go in too deep. So I did this on all my chicken, and that's how it looks. You can use any chicken pieces. Then let's marinate. So for the marinade, we will need some buttermilk, ginger and garlic. We'll need some curry powder. We will need cayenne because I love me some pepper. And then we're going to need some garam masala. I think that my best spice is garam. At this point, garam has become a favorite. And then we're going to add in paprika because so that it gives the chicken that smoky feel. But guys, with the spices, work with what you like on your chicken. Don't necessarily follow what I'm using, but if you follow what I'm using, you will love the outcome. So I'm adding in my black pepper. And then next I added turmeric or turmeric. We said it depends with the school you went to, group of schools or a polling station. Then I'm going to squeeze in my lemon in there. The lemon will help with just, making the tandoori juicy. Guys, this recipe, this chicken was just amazing. So make sure you test your marinade before you add in your chicken. But basically what I'm doing, the marinade was perfect, so I added in my chicken. That's how it looks. Covered it with a cling film, put it in the fridge for around 6 hours. So for the salad, we will need some corn, sweet corn. We will need avocado. We're going to need a tomato, a lemon, a mango, red onions that I've already put in some warm water with salt, and then we are going to need some coriander. And guys, that's it. But I'm boiling some rice on the side, and I'll be making a hot and sweet sauce. So on this baking sheet, I just lined it with some oil. And so let's add our chicken pieces. But if you have foil, use foil. It will make your cleaning way easier than it did me. So I had already preheated my oven at 180 degrees. So once our chicken is in there, let's make our salad. So we're going to peel the mango and cut it into cubes like the way you can see. Then next is the avocado, and guys, that avocado I love. So we are going now, make sure everything is in nice chunks, equal chunks. Then as you can see, guys, I was just pouring everything that I had said into that bowl. We're going to always rinse your onions from the hot water or the salty water or the vinegar. Then we're going to pour in our lemon. The lemon will help the avocado not to be black and also help everything taste better. But guys, look at that. So I'm going to give that a quick mix, and as you're mixing, add in salt and black pepper. But guys, that's the outcome. I love how it looks. The pop of color is amazing. So guys, 45 minutes our chicken was ready, and guys, my goodness, look at that. Look at that. It was super crispy on the outside, but it was so yummy and juicy on the inside. This chicken recipe is a must try. Stays in the oven for 45 minutes. It's well cooked on the inside, and everything is just perfect. I love how it turned out. So I served this meal two way. I served it with the salad, and then the other side I served it with some rice. So that's how my plate was looking, because we have to watch weight, guys. 2021, we are eating healthy. Then the other side is eat with some rice. So guys, tell me, what would you have, how would you have had this meal? Would you have had the chicken with the salad alone, or the chicken with the salad and rice? So that's how my sauce looks like. And guys, basically that's it. This recipe was so quick. Prep time was around 25 minutes and cooking is 45. So basically 1 hour and you're done. Done. And look at that, guys. So choose on the comment section below. Please comment A or B. A is just the salad and the chicken, and B is the salad, the chicken and rice. And so guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. You guys are amazing. Please remember to tag me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is right here below. See you on the next one, guys, and I love you guys. Bye. Peace out.